Hi, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. What we discussed about React.js yesterday. For React.js, Node.js is mandatory. So you have to install the Node.js first of all in your system. After that, after that, you need to create the project for React.js. There is no interface. You have to go through the command line. You have to go through the command line to install React project. Okay, so I want to tell you the features of the React.js, guys. First of all, uh, React is React is open source JS library. React is open source JS library for creating a modern modern user interface, modern UI. Okay. With React, we can create SPA. What is the meaning of SPA? Single page applications. What is the meaning of SPA? Single page. Single page applications. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay, then one more important point here. Here I want to give you. With the React, we can able to develop mobile applications also. We can able to develop mobile applications also. Okay, what are the mobile applications and how to create these mobile applications? That is for iOS and Android. That is React Native. One second, one second. Yeah, React Native. There is a library called React Native. Through the React Native, we can able to create a mobile applications also. React is open source JS library. With React, we can create single page applications. With React, we can able to develop the mobile applications also, like iOS and Android. That is something like a React Native library. Am I clear? And this is very give a very good competition with the Flutter. Did you know Google's Flutter library is going to be using for cross-domain applications, right? But this is Facebook's one. React is Facebook's one, and this also can able to develop the mobile applications, which is for iOS and Android. Hmm. So finally, I already told you, React works with NPM. React works with NPM. What is the meaning of NPM here? Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager. First of all, you need to install the Node.js. You need to install Node.js. Without Node.js, we cannot able to work with the React applications. So that is the reason you have to install the Node first. Then only you can come to the React. Am I clear, guys? So we will see how to install this React.js and what is the process of the installation of the React.js, how to create the project, all these things. Okay. We'll meet in the next video.